Another day, another dice. My name is Rosalind. Welcome to my randoms.
To Abergele and Pensarn. We will be travelling to Llandudno.
So guys, we just got down from the bus and this is our view. Trust Rose to be always prepared. This is crazy. Like, you guys actually need to see this.
This very nice view from here.
Very nice.
You wait. From this, you know, the castle bridge, Conway Castle, all Conway view.
I think we saw this from the top of the cliff. Yes.
Like Simon says, once I give you an instruction, please follow that and don't rush ahead, okay? So, you've got L and R loop, so pop your right foot in the R loop and your left foot in the L loop. If you two swap for me, so if you go to that one and then you go to this one. Thank you.
Say hi.
If you guys just stay here for me.
I love you.
So this is like literally the scariest thing I've ever done in my life. I've been ziplining. I'll show you. Look. Wish me luck. Sit first. Yeah, you ready?
Go, Rosie, go. Remember, there's something. It's shaking, Rose. You can do this. You can do this. You can do this. You can do this. Go, go.
If I can make it, I won't look for a strong man anymore.
Leave that thing. Hold the rope by the side. Yeah.
Oh, you saw it.
This thing is easier said than done.
Say hi to your fans.
I just can't. I just cannot.
We're stuck on tree. I feel like Judge of the Jungle. She's been so tough. She's been leading.
Really scared.
And she's been doing it scared. So the bottom line is, the lesson of land today is do it scared.
Do it scared once.